President William Ruto Niwatumia Sikuku ya Kutania Myaka 60 na Kuma Kenya Yeyosea Wiyathi Kutangaasa Matambya na Silikali Yake Ikunite Myaka 3 Kuma Alika Utongoini. Ruto Niwaweta Kana Silikali Yake Nikunite Mwingi Sektani ya Uimi Kisomo na Uiiti Ayasya Kana Kuvikiia oyu Akenya mbewa milioni 28 nimeyandikithitye Walan'yoni washa Meshak David na Mauvo.
Aine na kiwanzani chanyayo kavinda ka Sikuku wa Jamhuri ya mwaka wa 2025. President William Ruto Niwailitye maundu ala Silikali ikite ungu wa miaka 3. President aine na kukonia maundu ma Kisomo. Niwailitye miaka 3 mivitu maundu ma Kisomo maende na tahamanywa kuhusu na ilasini. Aiweta kana Silikali ni yakite ilasi 2023. Amanywa kukosa mikovo ya masomo mayulu. Unyivu wa alimu aiweta kana Silikali niyandikite alimu 7,700 na mwei ukite alimu mbewa 1,000 ni maithiwa mayandikwa.
3 years ago, education was in distress. Classrooms were overcrowded. Today, we have hired 76,000 teachers, and by next month, a total of 100,000 teachers, the largest recruitment of teachers in Kenya's history. We have built 23,000 new classrooms.
President Ruto ingini wakathi ya mubango wa Uiiti washa aiweta Kenya mbewa milioni 800 nimeyandikithitye mubango ni huu. Ayasya yukila mwenenthi onaula wa Ukwati munini no wathi sivitali na akaitwa. Aiweta kana Silikali niyandikita thukumi manduani ma Uiiti kana community health promoters 110 kuikiria kana kila mwenenthi wakwata Uiiti vala vonthe ui.
For decades, universal health care was spoken of, but in our time, it is being actualized. We engaged 110,000 community health promoters who are now reaching millions who were once excluded, forgotten, and without access to health care. Today, over 28 million Kenyans are registered under the Social Health Authority, up from 8 million under the old system.
Kukonia ngalama emekalile President William Ruto Niwaweta kana nthini wa miaka 3 Silikali niyikite mubango wa kuthesya ngalama ya mikalile ta kuthesya tho wa mbolea no kana kuikiithia kana nivethi wa na usiaithia mwingi wa leu. Ayasya kana maundu ma Uimi mende nisa na haimi mena undu wa Kutania. Ingi aiweta mbe wa haimi milioni 7.5 nimekitwo mubangoni wa kiumuthi kutethesya kumina na maundu ma wangangania muveani wa Uimi.
Today we do, for the first time in our history, over 7.2 million farmers have been brought into the single national digital database. We now know who they are, where they are, what they grow, and what they need. And with that knowledge came the power, not for brokers, not for cartels, but for the farmer. This digital platform became and is the backbone of targeted support, including subsidized inputs, affordable credit, and modern extension services reaching real farmers directly. We lowered the cost of production. We brought the price of fertilizer down. And in so doing, we restored profitability to the smallholder farmer who produces over 70% of our food.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Utongoini TV. Niyeto Meshak David.